How to make tasty homemade Dutch oven bread. This recipe is easy to follow, and the result is a delicious, crusty, and soft bread. Ingredients: 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 1 1/2 cups of warm water. Step 1. Mix the ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, salt, and yeast. Mix well until everything is well combined. Then, slowly pour in the warm water, and use a wooden spoon or your hands to mix the dough until it's well combined and forms a ball. Step 2. Let the dough rise. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a clean kitchen towel, and let it sit at room temperature for at least 12 hours. The dough should double in size and have a bubbly texture. Step 3. Shape the dough. After the dough has risen, turn it out onto a floured surface. Use your hands to shape the dough into a round shape. Place the dough on a piece of parchment paper, and let it rest for another 30 minutes. Step 4. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius, with the Dutch oven inside for 30 minutes. Step 5. Bake the bread. Once the oven and the Dutch oven are hot, carefully remove the Dutch oven from the oven. Place the dough, with the parchment paper, into the Dutch oven. Put the lid back on and bake for 30 minutes. Step 6. Remove the lid. After 30 minutes, remove the lid from the Dutch oven, and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes or until the bread is golden brown and crispy. Step 7. Let the bread cool. And there you have it, folks. A delicious homemade Dutch oven bread. This recipe is perfect for anyone who loves fresh, warm bread, and it's easy enough to make for even the most novice of bakers. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching.